Hello, this is Govinda Vishwas, Manager for Marketing and Public Relationship Department, Ajinomoto India Private Limited. Ajinomoto is a Japanese organization which is into the operation for more than 110 years. Our company product has been sold in more than 130 countries. In India, we have started our operation in the year 2003. So we are into the operation in India for more than 2 decades. Currently, our operation is concentrated mainly in southern part of India and northeastern part of India. Apart from that, for our industrial product, our company is operating all over India. Ajinomoto, it's our parent brand. So this Ajinomoto brand is world famous, and the product which is sell under the brand name of Ajinomoto, it's called monosodium glutamate. So what is monosodium glutamate? Monosodium glutamate is the sodium salt of a glutamic acid. Now the question is how we produce MSG. So we use natural ingredients like sugarcane and tapioca. That sugarcane and tapioca, through fermentation process we produce monosodium glutamate. So what is fermentation process? Again, fermentation process, it's a very natural process. How traditionally in India from milk we produce curd, that is fermentation process. How in southern part of India we at home we produce dosa batter, that is fermentation process. So there is nothing artificial process used in this manufacturing process. Apart from that, very important point, because the raw materials are natural ingredients, the production process also a natural process. So important question is whether it is safe for the consumption of human being. Now the safety of monosodium glutamate in India has been certified by Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, that is FSSAI. And apart from that, our company in India, it is Food Safety Management Certified company, that is ISO 22000 certified company, and also our company is certified for the quality management system, that is ISO 9001 and 2015 certified company. Apart from that, globally across the globe, the global regulatory bodies like FDA, US FDA, Food Safety Australia, New Zealand, and other regulatory bodies have certified this product as a safe, because for a prolonged period of time they have conducted research on this product and they found it to be safe for the consumption of human being. Now coming to the benefit part, whether MSG is beneficial for human being. So yes, it is very beneficial for the human being. The first part is it enhances the taste of the dish. If you add into a dish, it provides a taste enhancement benefit. Second point, very important point, if you use a pinch of MSG, you can significantly reduce the consumption of salt. So as you all know, in India there is a rapid rise of the case of blood pressure, hypertension and heart problem. So normally doctors suggest to reduce the consumption of salt. So if we use a pinch of MSG in our regular dish, we can significantly, research has shown, we can significantly reduce the consumption of salt or sodium chloride almost by more than 30%, which is very useful for human health. Apart from that, also research found that in the elderly age group of people who lost their appetite or food taste, if we add a pinch of MSG in their regular diet, the acceptance for the food, it increases. So these are some of the very interesting and useful benefit of using MSG in regular life. Apart from that, I just want to bring into your notice a very interesting fact which lot of people don't know. So as I said, MSG is a sodium salt of glutamic acid. Sodium is a very essential mineral, and glutamic acid is one of the amino acids. So interestingly, Even in mother breast milk also glutamic acid is present. So a baby which is under breastfeeding, on an average, that also consume 150 milligram to 250 milligram of glutamic acid on a daily basis. So it is not at all harmful for even infants also. So apart from that, another important point is, as I said, it is 100% safe for consumption. So what FSSAI say in India, it's generally recognized as safe for the consumption human being. It can be used for the production of processed food and any dish. It's not necessary only for the Chinese dish. Even for the regular or traditional Indian dishes like sambar, rasam, in that also we can use a pinch of MSG and it will increase the taste of our dish. So this was my important communication related to MSG. And apart from that, I just want to communicate that, like, our company, as I said earlier, that it has a expertise in the production of processed food and seasoning mix. So in our product basket in India, we also offer the famous brand called Happyma, which is a menu specific seasoning. Under Happyma, we have a fried rice mix, which is number one selling fried rice in Tamil Nadu, and we have also Happyma crispy fry mix, by using which you can cook restaurant style fried chicken at home. So considering the current COVID situation, it is very useful for all the household, where people can't step out of home, can't go to restaurant and buy fried rice or fried chicken. You can use Happyma at home and enjoy restaurant style food. And apart from that, from the traditional menu point of view, we also launched Happyma Veg Masala Mix, Varuval and Poriyal for the Tamil Nadu market. And as a beverage category, we have Blendy 3-in-1 premix masala chai and coffee. By using this instantly, by adding to hot water, you can enjoy tea and coffee on the go. And finally, in the year 2016, we made a joint venture with Maruchan company, that is Toyo Suzen company of Japan, and we have launched instant noodle called A&M noodle, which is like Ajinomoto Maruchan brand. So under that also we have 3 noodles category, which is also doing good in Tamil Nadu. So that's all. I would like to thank you for this opportunity. Thank you very much.